New effects on lock screen wallpapers. Open Galaxy Store, update WonderLand to latest version. Version 1.6.15. New blur effect. Added vertical and horizontal blur options for lock screen transition effects. Create your different lock screen effect. Tap New, then import your wallpaper. Choose Effect Style. Review effect before apply. Effect settings. Change direction effect. Select any effect style you like. Save it. Set as wallpaper. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.